intro for this video? Is that a no? Maybe? Hey, what is up guys? Donovan here. Now, a few weeks ago, if you guys remember, I did a walk around on my Charger, and one of the new things was I got the taillight tint at the back. Now, when I went ahead and got the taillight tint, Lux basically just sends you this long piece of the tint, and you're just supposed to like place it over the taillights and cut the amount you need. Usually, if you're pretty conservative with how you cut it smart, you'll have a bunch left over. As you see, I had a ton here. And so with that extra tint, I decided to go ahead and tint my side markers. So that's the back. I'll go ahead and show you the front. You can hardly even tell they're there, but as you know, when you turn them on, the light still shines through. Isn't that crazy, Luna? She thinks so. Comes out all right. It doesn't light up the thing as evenly as it did before, but at least in daytime it looks cool. The front doesn't light up at all, I don't think. But it looks pretty good. Basically, to do this, all I used was the X-Acto knife that Lux provides you with this. The alcohol spray that they have with it. And I tried to use the squeegee that they give you, but it's a little too thick for some of the corners in there, so you might as well just use your debit card or something. Obviously, I'm not going to show that because you should already know why. And then my mom's hair dryer to just heat it up real quick, press it in, and then you're good. So we'll go ahead and get an overview of the car real quick. There is no color on the car except for the license plate, but California says I have to have it, so other than that, the car is pretty much monochrome. Just black and gray. So I think it looks pretty good. I feel like it makes the color, the brass beer color of the wheels stand out a little better. And it just kind of matches with the thick back of the car a little better. Luna thinks so too. So yeah, I mean, if you guys are pretty much gonna do the taillight tints, you might as well cut it conservatively and leave a bunch left over so that you can do your side markers, because it's free. I mean, they charge a decent amount for the side marker tint, so I basically did it for free. Now, I'm probably gonna do it for my mom's car here soon too, because she wants me to do cool things to her car too, and I might as well do a tutorial video with her car, even though it's pretty much self-explanatory. But so I mean, that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you enjoy that view. And Luna, do you want to help me close out the video? Okay, cool. So yeah, I'd like to thank you guys for watching the video. Sorry I've been so laggy with uploads. It's kind of hard being a teenager with no money to do a bunch of car videos with mods and stuff, but hopefully my next mod's gonna be performance. I'm looking to do like a Jay Green tune or something cool like that, so we're good. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time. Peace out.